my top is cropped. I did it. Okay. Hi. It's me, Nichelle. What's up? Okay. So, yeah, get into it. Get into it. Oh, I hate this type of color. It actually looks good. Oh my god, mommy. It actually looks good. Okay, let me do my intro now. What's up? It's Nichelle, and today we're going to be learning how to make a crop top out of a t-shirt from Walmart. I cut about this much off the t-shirt, so if you want to learn how to do this, keep watching. Let's see if this is going to be a tutorial or not. I don't know what this is, so if you're coming to this video as a tutorial, don't. This video is like, watch me do something. This video is called Learn Something. I'm probably gonna put a DIY for clickbait, so. But it
was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
This video is called, a Learn Something.
Learn something from this.
It's called Learn With Me. Today we are learning how to make crop tops from Walmart tank tops. I like Walmart tank tops. I got one right now. I might try to make this one a tank top. I mean crop top. But, boom. We went to Walmart today. What you will need. Some of these can be no-sew. Some of these can be sew. It depends on what you want to do. I got this gray one. Then we got some pins, some safety pins. I already had some of these. Of course, we got thread. I got these needles just like to have around the house. But these, okay, if you're using the sewing machine, I was looking up stuff and it said you need to use these. These are ballpoint needles. Mind you, I don't know how to get these needles in my sewing machine. I have no clue. So we're gonna figure that out together. So yeah, we're gonna cut the shirt to a crop top. I'm gonna start with this white one. We're gonna cut it to a crop top. It's cold in this house, but we're gonna cut it into a crop top. How many times can we say crop top? We're gonna cut it into a crop top, right? And then we gonna have fresh fits, cold fits all summer long.
Anyway,
this is my goal. I've had this on machine, I think, for like 2 years now. I know how to do basic stuff. Like, I can do a straight stitch, you know, I can thread machine, thread the bobbin. Okay, I know basic stuff, but I want to get more advanced with it. So first, I'm gonna start DIYing clothes. Then I'm gonna start trying to make my own clothes. I've tried that before. I failed miserably because I keep getting dirty fabric and I kept not being able to find these type of needles. Hopefully these type of needles saved my life. I was reading some articles saying that you need to use, when you do this, you need to use the type of stitch you need to do, like a tight and narrow zigzag, so it'll go like that. And then you need to use like different types of like the hook. I don't know how to do a hook, so we're gonna try a narrow zigzag and we're gonna see where it gets us. So yeah, get into it. Okay.
Yeah, get into it.
Okay. So you wanna see how the tops look on first. Of course, take that off. We don't want that.
I don't like that.
This is like cool little things to do in the summer. Like, this is cool little things to do during Corona.
Something fun, something for the summertime, something for the girls to, you know, get ready and party to.
Oh, this fit good. We might have this one fit. Okay, so boom. Have this little tape measure. This is old. I have another one, but this is like cuter. So how many inches do We want this crop top to be, let's just say 7 inches. That's where we want to crop it. We want to crop it at 7 inches and give ourselves, and we're gonna give ourselves a half an inch seam allowance. So yeah, I'm just gonna, the line's not gonna be quite straight. It's really not gonna be straight. I'm just doing this. I'm gonna take it off. Watch, it's gonna look so janky. Y'all can't even see that. But whatever, I can see it. So, boom. Boom, 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 boom. So, I'm gonna be back. Then I'm gonna let y'all see me cut it. What the hell? Alright. We are big humans, right? We have common sense. So, let's use that to our advantage today. Don't cut on the line. Cut about, the line is just where you want to see where you want to sew. Don't cut on the line. Cut, y'all might like measurements. So I say cut about an inch. Cut about a full inch away from your line. A full inch. So if you cutting like this. So I'm gonna try to cut straight as possible, but it really doesn't matter because maybe I'll have that video on here. Because I know how to make bento tops for elastic. Like, I actually know how to make that. So, boom. You have a crop top. Boom. You can wear it like this. Cute. Fashion. But that's not me. I don't like the raggedy edge. So now, we're going in with these pins. But we're going to flip the shirt inside out. And we're going to pin it up. You know why I like sewing? That's a Raven. That's literally it. Because you know when you like a kid, that's what Raven used to be, that show. So we have it lined up. We're going to pin it how we want it. I don't know if this is like good. Like, I'm trying my best to be a YouTuber. But like, I don't know. Like, I really want this YouTube stuff to work for me. So this is how it looks pinned up. She's pinned up and she's ready to go to the machine. So I'll see you at the machine. Boom. We're back. Oh. Okay. We're about help. It's under thing. I don't know what type of stitch I'm using. I'm gonna record all that, but right now you can just watch me sew this. Yeah, I don't know how to get close. I don't know what the kind of stitch. I don't really know. I'm a beginner, like in every sense of the word. So you're just gonna have to watch. All right, here we go. I have to thread the bobbin again. Oh, I hate this type of comedy. But girl, look. Look at this. This is good to me. Y'all see how I got these freaking chairs? Don't talk about me. I don't have a chair. I don't have a chair. And I'm a temporary blind. Okay, I have to throw my bobbin again. So I know y'all don't want to watch that. So I'll be back to do the front. And I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. It's gonna look snatched. I need to hurry up because I still need to go outside and exercise.
Period. 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 Period.
On to the front. On to the front. Kaboom! I have me a crop top. Okay, so that's how you do it.